Well, good morning from a rest area. Where are we? You ever have one of those times you go to bed and you wake up and don't really know where you are? Today's modern world, that's actually easier to do than it was back in the old days of just running old and tired. Because nowadays, the electronic world, you don't have to know the location that you stopped in order to flag it on the logbook, because the electronic logbook does it for you. It has become a thankless job. Well, a lot more thankless than it used to be. You got electronic devices telling you where to go, when to turn, which are not always correct. Some guys do it anyway, and they wind up on walking bridges. And then you got logbooks that know your current location and flag it as such. I have to sneeze. So I just done two things back here in that rest area that I don't normally do. I cranked the truck up, let it warm up, and then I went to take out the trash as I did my pre-trip. Finished my pre-trip, kicking the tires, checking out my lights while the engine's warming up. After I've already checked out my oil, you know the proper pre-trip that we all do. So the trash can was like halfway between the truck and the building. I thought, well, while I'm here, I might as well go to the bathroom. So I went to the bathroom. And the two things I never do is my cell phone and my wallet was in the truck. And of course the truck's in there running. Which, I mean, if a thief wants the truck, they're going to get the truck with the key or without a key. But I don't want to make it easier on than necessary. So I usually take the key out of the switch and lock the truck up. But the other, the other ideal is the cell phone and the wallet. Say if someone did take off with the truck, which is no big deal. If they take off the truck, they take off the truck. That's why we have insurance for such scenarios, shenanigans. But there you are in a rest area somewhere in Mississippi with no identification, no money, no way of contacting anybody. So you're just like dead in the water. So always keep your identification on you. And plus, another scenario, like if you was to get mugged in the parking lot and get knocked unconscious, and then the rescue personnel shows up and you're still unconscious and you've got no identification, no nothing. They haul you off to the hospital and they don't know who you are, and there's your poor old truck sitting out there running the rest of the day, So lots of bad scenarios with that. So always keep your identification on you and your cell phone. Because today's modern society, you probably don't know your mother's phone number. It's probably speed dial. You can't call your mommy when you want to because you don't have your phone. There's no pay phones, and you can't borrow someone else's phone to call your mommy because you don't know your mommy's number. So that day's vlog got off to a strange start, did it not? Anyway, I have made several videos in the past week. My time has been very limited. One, I'm out here working. I can't really edit videos right now while I'm working. And, excuse me. And the spare time that I've had when I shut down at the end of the day, which only happened a couple of times that I've had the hours to kill. I think Tuesday night was one. I delivered a load up there in Dalton, Georgia, in the snow. and I had 3 hours to kill. Well, I wound up getting my UCR done and follow my Kentucky IFTA and something else I think I got accomplished. And then the other time I spent a couple hours trying to learn how to edit. I made a video, a backing video. I'm trying to do a picture-in-a-picture on that, and I think I figured it out. But I've got 3 hours involved in it, and the clips have it lined up, and so I tried to move them. And anyway, said I got to restart the whole process. And this weekend, I'll be in Brazelton, Georgia. I'll get there about 1500 today. And I'll have time this evening and all day tomorrow, but I've got taxes. I brought all my monthly envelopes with me. And I got a new CPA last Friday when I went home. That's the other thing. I went home last Wednesday. So I was home Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but I tell you, all 4 of those days I was busy doing stuff, and then I spent all day Friday evening and Saturday working on taxes. I think I did that on Sunday as well. I think all day long because my tax numbers, what my profit and loss shows does not equal what's in my checkbook, so I got to find the money. So anyway, so I've been working on that, and I brought that with me out here on the road, so I've got to get that knocked out this weekend and get that report submitted to my CPA. So it's just been busy, and so the videos are falling behind, so I apologize for that, but the videos is not my job. That is for entertainment purposes only, and the job pays, the videos don't, so we got to focus on the job. The videos are a hobby, entertainment. So anyway, so that's the plans with all that, and I think I have a driver lined up for an interview, so we'll see if we have time for all that. But anyway, hope you guys gotten off to a good start this year. Oh, by the way, that reminds me that yes, I didn't make a video on my own authority thing because we're rocking it. We got it in a groove. The paperwork is almost wrapped up, and then after that, all we've got to do is focus on carrier packets. We'll get into that one day, what a carrier packet is. Get into carrier packets and building our customer base. So the hard step is just about behind us, and it's getting put on cruise control. The money is starting to come in a little bit, so the stress is easing up, and we are rolling it. So there's a quick update. Should be a one-take video, and we'll be able to get this uploaded this evening to let you guys know why it's been 5 days I've been working. You guys like those new lights? I gotta turn them up a little bit. They need to project out about another 20 feet and we'll be good. And that's just a matter of taking those 2 backing screws out, turn the little white knob, but just haven't done it yet. Just call me a lazy procrastinator, right? But anyway, alright guys, we'll see y'all later. Sorry for all the delays of videos. Hope you like this one. I'm driving in the dark with idiotic ramblings, and we'll try to get you some videos posted if we have time this weekend. I don't know. Busy, right? I'm a one-man band. No secretary, no office people, no load planners. We got nothing. And that's just the way we like it. Total freedom. All right, give me a thumbs up. See you on the next one. Bye.